Well, I got something that somebody's going to be happy, but I don't know if it's going to survive the ride. I'll do it this way instead. And when I get out of the store, I'll stop my vlog. So, Ohio Fred, man. This one goes out to you. It's not in that box, but it's in the store. You want it? Come and get it. Hop on board, head down south, head up north. Let's get going. I forgot something. My helmet. Well, sometimes these reviews are long, vlogs are short. This one, I don't even have my phone, my helmet, and it's like in the single digits. Ohio Fred, now you can head on home and wait. And on that note, see ya! I'm gonna go inside and warm up because I couldn't get to top speed to where I needed to be at home. Have a great day. This camera, put it on time lapse, go turn it off and it remembers. I'm not here about that. How does it look to you? I got everything here run on solar. Power station, yes indeed. Doing a nice job. It lasts 3 hours. It charged up to full. And I'm back for another 3 hours of run time. I figure I'll do a time lapse on a build. I got a desk to build. I'm going to probably leave this here, move something, one of these over there. It may be in my way or not, or maybe move one of these over here. I'm not sure what I'm going to do, but I'm going to put the desk over here. And this way I could work over here. Over here, over here, over there. You know that song. You're way too young. You probably weren't even born when that movie came out singing that song. So here we go. Put it on a time lapse and make some room and get things done. This build should take me no more than 15 minutes. And it sells for $99. It's a work table. Or you could buy one for $129 and put your own top on. Isn't that amazing? So here we go. Let's get started. I know what the problem was. The bar had to go through 2 areas of interest. It only went halfway through, 1. So here I am, all fixed, raising on up to a level. Here we go. I got some clicking. Let me fix that clicking. Oh, baby. How tall is that? Think I love this desk already. Let me fix that clicking. Clicking's a little annoying. And the reason why it may be clicking is because of the bar hitting the gears over here. Try it again. The inner one. I'll come back later. Fix it up. But there it is. Time to get on out of here. Shut my lights off. Weather. She's not responding. That's how cold it is. Weather. Weather. Man, you know what happens when you are borderline of your Wi-Fi that's supposed to go way beyond its limits? Weather.
It's currently windy and 31 degrees.
The wind makes it feel like the teens. 31 degrees is just about freezing weather for you. The wind chill.
The wind chill is currently 13 degrees Fahrenheit.
And the wind?
It looks windy, about 19 miles per hour right now.
Computer could tell it's windy. She sees it. Let it cook. Cook, cook, cook.